Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to connect with nature and practice grounding. You want to join? Come on, let's go. First, inhale deeply and exhale what you don't need. Now feel your feet and your toes. Now close your eyes. Inhale from the ground till you ground. Now move to the right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Feel your right feet firm in the ground. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale and move to the middle. Inhale